This video will discuss the Custom Participation Report, which is the most flexible report in CERVIS. You can use this report to view hours information for volunteers that have served within a particular date range, as well as other parameters that you determine. To run this report, click on Report Management on the main dashboard. Then, set the dates at the top of the page to your desired range for the information you want included in the report. This report is only available in a spreadsheet format, so you do not need to change the format here. The Custom Participation Report is the first report in this menu. The first set of options allows you to choose the volunteers and events to include in your report by selecting the query or queries to use. You can use searches that you previously ran in the volunteer, opportunity, group, or reservation menus as the starting point for this report in order to find a specific subset of your volunteers, registrations, or events. For example, you can use the Advanced Volunteer Search to find all volunteers who are over the age of 18. Then, immediately go back to the Custom Participation Report and choose to use Previous Volunteer Search. That way, your report will only include activity for volunteers who are over 18. Next, choose the detail level. High will display information for each shift a volunteer served, and Low will summarize the information per volunteer. The Group By setting allows you to organize the information in the report around either volunteers or opportunities. Next, choose the fields that you want to be included in the report. Volunteer name and opportunity hours are included by default, but you can select other items such as volunteer contact information, custom field responses, attributes, as well as event information. Note that opportunity information will only be visible in the high detail version of the report. When you have selected your desired parameters, click Run Report, and a download of your CSV file will begin immediately. If you have created a report which you would like to be able to run again later, use the Save Report Parameters button at the bottom of the page. In the future, to rerun this report with a new date range, select the saved report using the Load Report Parameters button, and then set your date range again at the top of the page.